Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing an empty house. It's technically a condo, but empty house tour. And I'm actually standing right where the front door is right now. So I'll show you guys like the outside once I have it decorated the way I like. But without further ado, here we go. I am at the front entrance and this is what it looks like. Got some tile right here, stairs going all the way up. That closet has the washer and dryer, which we're having delivered, I believe, on Sunday. Got a nice skylight. And there's like a little coat closet right there. I really like these hand-painted light covers. My mom hates them, but I like them. And then right here, you have this little hallway, and then it comes into the kitchen. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
That's my mama. She's so tiny. So right here is little baby pantry. And she upgraded the dishwasher. She upgraded these. So they're soft close. And then I already bought a new fridge. We're ripping that out. Got to repaint the yellow. And this is what the kitchen looks like. She left these stools for me. And she also left this really nice movable island, which again, I thought was really nice of her. She was kind of like a fun grandma type. So, I mean, she was a grandma, but, and then windows, really nice windows actually. And then just really in love with these cabinets. And then she updated this. It's all electric, so I'm probably gonna convert it to gas at some point. And then I don't really like the look of this because it's so old, but you guys, this is the cool part. Look at this. Yeah, that's like the one redeeming quality. Oops, if I don't break it. But that's the kitchen. And then over here, this is the door to the basement, which is unfinished, so I'm not gonna show that. No point. Here we have the dining room, which I don't know what's going on with this situation, but if my dad comes to visit me, I can probably have him fix it because he's like a Mr. Fix-It type dude. And then she left a lamp, which will be handy. There's some built-ins. And then right here is just a half bath. And she left that, which actually I really like that, so I might keep it. And yeah, she's nice enough to leave some toilet paper and some soap. I swear, God bless that woman. And then this is the living room. So you got this big wall right here. Obviously the red is going to go. If you guys know anything about me, I cannot stand red. I hate it with a burning, fiery passion. And then fireplace that's like classic wood burning fireplace. And TV, I think, is gonna go right here. Gotta paint this wall. I think I said that. And then out here, we have the porch, which I'm a huge fan of that. It's just nice and small, but she was nice enough to leave her flower pots, so I don't have to start anything just yet. But yeah, it's definitely very, very nice out here. Okay. There's that. I literally just got the keys like not even a half hour ago. So trust me when I say it's a good time. All right, so now I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. And this is what the entryway looks like. My mom and I are gonna go to Lowe's and replace these because it's two different keys, which I've never seen that in my life. She left these lamps, which is fortunate for me because that's less crap I have to buy. All right. By the way, this was made or built in 1988. So, like I said, this is where washer and dryer go. She left some light bulbs and things like that. Got a nice view. Skylight again. All right, over here is my room. This is full bath, second bedroom, third bedroom. So, this is my room. I love the color. It's like a nice mint green. And hi, how are you guys? Got like this really cute little shutter, whatever thing on the medicine cabinet. And she updated all the bathrooms, thank God. But yeah, this is my new bathroom. And I like it. It's a little bit more spacious than the last one. All right. Oh, I just realized she left a mirror. That's actually really handy. The only downside is that I have to use about 800 pounds of spackle because there's a lot of holes everywhere. This is also a downside. See, it runs all the way up to the fan, so that's really, never seen that before. But I love these curtains, even though they're kind of like old lady-ish, but I don't care, I like them. And then we got, trying to cover my mom's license plate, but trash is right there. And then there's actually tennis courts. In here, it's my master closet. So I'll probably put in more shelving. Oh man. And then little baby linen closet right here. Oops. And this is the second full bath. So this is gonna be like a guest bathroom. And again, updated. This is the second bedroom, again, with one of those wonky fans. Like, yeah, whatever. And here's a view of my little porch, little back deck, whatever you want to call it. All right. And now we're into the last bedroom. This is actually going to be my office. So I don't know why she left that cable there, but, and then this is where Mochi's litter box is gonna go. So I don't know where else to put it. I don't want him going down to the basement, so I'm just gonna keep it in here because I'm gonna be coming upstairs every day anyways. So there you go, guys. There is an empty house tour. You guys enjoyed that. I have to go because I need to go to Lowe's. I need to unload my car. I need to clean this whole place top to bottom. But anyways, I hope you guys have been doing well and staying safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I love you all, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye, guys.